Are you trying to decide between Electrum and Sparrow? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular Bitcoin wallets to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both Electrum and Sparrow are designed to store Bitcoin safely. They offer users a way to manage their coins while keeping them secure, but each wallet has its own unique features and strengths. Let's start with Electrum. This wallet has been around for a long time. It's known for its speed and simplicity. Electrum allows users to create wallets quickly. It supports hardware wallets and offers advanced features for experienced users. You can customize fees and even use it without downloading the entire blockchain. Now, let's look at Sparrow. This wallet is newer but has gained a lot of attention. Sparrow focuses on user experience and privacy. It has a clean interface that makes it easy for beginners. Sparrow also supports hardware wallets and offers some advanced privacy features. It allows you to connect to your own node, which is great for those who value security. So, what are the key differences? Electrum is faster and more straightforward, making it ideal for quick transactions. On the other hand, Sparrow offers more privacy options and a better user interface, which can be appealing to those who want a more personal experience. When it comes to features, both wallets have strong points. Electrum has customizable fees and a long history of reliability. Sparrow shines with its privacy tools and user-friendly design. Pricing is simple too. Both wallets are free to use, but you may incur fees when sending Bitcoin. In the end, if you want speed and simplicity, Electrum is a solid choice, but if you value privacy and a nice interface, Sparrow might be the better fit for you. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.